And now I came back with part 2 of the card kit for December. And I was telling you how my card kit was like very late because they was saying something about it was courting a customer or something or whatever. But anyway, it's finally here. So I broke it up in 2 parts, mainly because this one is like vintage cards, and I struggle with vintage because I'm not. When I do cards, I'm not a vintage card maker, so I kind of like struggle with it a little bit, but I got them done. So, but anyway, it was called Beauty is Anywhere, but it's a beautiful kit. Don't get me wrong, and anyone who does loves vintage, you will love. I like it too, like I said, I had to struggle. But anyway, so you get 10 cards and 10 envelopes, 9 pieces of cards, dot, 8 sets of dies, a pattern paper, stamp set, snippy frames, butterfly stickers, cardstock envelopment sequins, die cut shapes, foam squares, adhesives. And like I said, with these card kits, like if you're traveling and you don't want to take a whole craft room, because we know how we do, we go somewhere and we take a whole craft room to craft. You don't need this. All you need is a pair of scissors and a trimmer, because everything is else in the kit. And these are beautiful kits. But anyway, so I'm getting into it. It was the 5 cards I made. So this one has the butterflies, and it says pretty. And I took the there was like little flowers, and I took sequins in the middle. Then this one, I did the frames, and I did the typewriter, and it says original story, and I did the sentiment, and I did this sequin came 2 different colors, and I did like, I want to say these were like purplish. So I put some purplish one, and I love this paper. This paper is so pretty. I really do. And with this one, I said enjoy the little ones, and I put the balloon and some flowers, and then it was like a little border. And this is also a little pretty paper too. It was gorgeous. Like I said, this kit was pretty. It really was pretty. And then with this one, I did also another, it was like 2 different versions of borders, and I did this one. And then I said choose joy, and I put the purple sequins in the middle for the O, and I put a little flower there. And then for my last one, I did a cluster of flowers. Beauty is everywhere, and I put some more sequins in the middle. And that's my 5 cards. And thank you for watching, and till next time, like and subscribe. See ya!